Hi folks, this is Rick from AC and Poker Refrigeration Service. Thanks for tuning in. Just finishing up this part 3 of the freezer for the elementary school walk-in freezer. I already showed in part 1 and 2 the issues. Now I'm just adding some Freon in it, R404 A, and we're going to start this unit up here shortly. Here we go. Fire in the hole. Alright, up and running. Today,
while you getting that all prepared, I'm going up top.
They're doing a hot tar roof today. Really good job. This guy is really good. Waterproof. What's the name of this place? Let's see. Waterproof. Looks good. Real nice job. Alright, back to my job. Alright, doing good. Running smooth. Really low on Freon. Gonna take a full tank here and charge this thing up. Alright. Yeah, second last. Everything looks good. Again, folks, for all of your air conditioning, refrigeration, commercial, residential, any restaurants, any of that stuff, just give me a call. We can handle all of your needs. Heating, cooling, refrigeration, residential, all makes and models refrigerators. Give us a call. Thank you very much. God bless.